Assalamu alaikum students. Today I am going to introduce you with og family. Today we are going to write og words. There are 5 pictures and we have to write their names in front of them. Okay students, tell me which picture is this? It is hog. Og, hog. Let's write. Og, og, hog. What is this? It is frog. Frog. So far we will write og. Frog. Frog. Okay, tell me, what is the man doing? He is doing jogging. So we will write jog. 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 J O G. Jog. Jog. What is this? It is a dog. 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 Okay, let's write D O G. Dog. Dog. Which picture is this? It is a log. 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 Okay, let's write L O G. Log. Log. Okay students, after doing this og family, now your assignment is this, that you people have to learn the spellings of this og family and you have to match the picture correctly with og words. Read these words with the help of phonics, then you people have to match these words with the correct picture. And now I am going to introduce you with n words. So we are going to write n words. There are 5 pictures in front of you and you people have to write the names of these pictures in front of them. Students, do you know what is this? It is a den. Do you know what is den? Okay, I'll tell you what is den. Den is like a cave where wild animals live, especially lion, cubs. Cubs are the babies of lion and other wild animals also live in this den. Okay, let's write D and den. First of all, we will write D E N. D and den. Next picture is of men. If there is only one person, then we will say it as man. Now here there are more than one, so we will call it as men. Okay, let's write and men. And men. Okay, next picture is of 10. T and 10. Okay, let's write 10. T E N. T and 10. What is this? This is a pen. P and pen. Let's start writing pen. P E N. P and pen. Which picture is this? hen. Let's write n, hen. N, hen. Okay students, after doing this n family, now your assignment is this, that you people have to learn the spellings of this n family, and you people have to match the picture correctly with n words. So read these words with the help of phonics and match them to their related pictures. Thank you.